Hello, mathematicians. This video is going to be a brief introduction to statistics. So before we get too far, let's just give a quick definition of what statistics is. Statistics is, in a brief definition, is just the study of data. And data is a collection of facts. Sometimes these facts come in forms of numbers, words, or descriptions, but there are two main types of data. One of these types of data is quantitative data, which is information given in numbers. Usually this is a number that you can count or measure. So for example, the number of students I have would be a quantitative data. And then there also is qualitative data, which is information given that describes something. Usually this is information you can observe, such as appearance, textures, smells, etc. So for example, quantitative data was the number of students I have. Qualitative data could be whether or not my students like my class. When we are collecting data, it is important that the questions we ask have more than one question. For example, if I were to ask one of my students, "What is your name?" there's only one answer. So that is not a statistical question. Okay, in order for it to be a statistical question, there has to be more than one answer. So if I were to ask one of my students, "How many siblings do you have?" that is a statistical question. Or if I were to ask them, "Do you like my class? Yes or no?" Those are two options, right? So that'd be qualitative data, so that it would still be statistics. But if it only has one answer, it is not a matter of statistics. Statistics are extremely important to be able to understand if you want to live a happy life. I'm going to outline 3 reasons of why they are particularly important for you to understand. For one, they help us identify problems in the world. If you're reading the newspaper, there's probably going to be some sort of statistics in there. So being able to understand that is going to be important for you to be able to identify problems in the world. Another reason is they provide us with evidence if we are trying to make a point. So if I am trying to make a case as to why it is important to understand math, it would be important for me to have statistics to back my claim up. And the third reason I'm going to bring up is they help us make informed decisions for our future. So if we want to make sound decisions, we need to understand the statistics that are going to help us make those good decisions. That is just a brief introduction on statistics. I'm excited to get going on this unit.